get right out into weather right now. Meteorologist Becca Birdsall with me, breaking down everything you need to know to stay weather aware if you're planning on heading out today.
Yeah, right now we are mostly dry. We're seeing a few areas of light drizzle, some patchy dense fog, but it's really later on, especially 9 o'clock. We'll start to see that line of storms moving from the mountains into the metro. Of course, it's a busy travel day, so this will likely impact a lot of people.
Okay.
We're talking heavy rain, the potential for tornadoes and some straight line winds. And we do have an active tornado watch that was just issued for most of the area until 1 p.m. Now, what does that mean? It means all of the ingredients are there. Tornado warning is take action, take shelter immediately, and make sure to have multiple ways to get watches and warnings in this area. So tornado watch currently until 1 p.m. for all counties currently in red. That includes the Charlotte metro area, also including a damaging wind gust for most of the area. So as these storms makes its way through, that's going to be one of the main concerns. Damaging wind gusts upwards of 60 miles per hour with an active wind advisory for Ashe and Watauga counties for wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour. So this is really going to be packing a punch on that current satellite and radar. You can see that line of storms continues to push through central Georgia, the Panhandle, Florida. This will continue to gradually push east as that cold front makes its way through. So currently, satellite and radar, a few areas of light rain. It's not much. This is the calm before the storm. We'll definitely see this pick up once we get that warm front start to push through. That's going to provide enough fuel across the area to see severe storms spark up. And ahead of that cold front, going to be pushing that moisture here. Will be drier though as we start off your Monday as that cold front makes its way across. So latest futurecast is the latest timing, 9, 10 o'clock, starting to push through places like Shelby, Gastonia, and Morganton. And really on this leading edge of storms is where we'll have the greatest potential to see a brief tornado spin up and some straight line winds. Once this line crosses, we'll have some heavy rainfall behind it. So the main concern behind this will be some flash flooding. So getting through the metro area closer to around lunchtime, and then for our most southeast counties pushing through around noon. We'll have some moisture behind this system, but certainly not going to be as impactful as that first line comes through. As that cold front pushes through, could have a chance to see a few lingering late night showers up in the mountains, certainly. And as we take a live look outside from Monroe, it is humid out there, 63 degrees. Warm front continues to push through, and that is ramping up the winds, currently sustained at 16 miles per hour. And over the next couple of days, again, staying weather aware for today, will be calmer to start off your work week and will stay mild all the way through Tuesday and Wednesday. I've looked outside from Sugar Mountain courtesy of Resort Cam. Certainly not a great day to head up to the ski resorts as temperatures will be very mild. And of course, that round of rain starting to move in through the mountains later on this morning, closer to around 8, 9 o'clock. Guy Roofing 7-day forecast. Make sure to have multiple ways to get watches and warnings in the area. We'll be streaming on WCNC all morning long. So make sure to check back in with us as that line of storms approaches. Drier with sunshine back into the forecast for Monday, but warm. New Year's Eve will also stay warm, middle 60s. That cold front comes through Tuesday and between Wednesday. We'll bring you the chance for a few showers, but temperatures will be knocked back down into the 50s for the start of the new year and will stay chilly through next week.